Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Wednesday, January 7, 2026, and we are witnessing a historic day on Wall Street. The Dow Jones has officially shattered the 49,000 mark for the first time in history, and the S&P 500 is trading at fresh all-time highs. But while the numbers look great on the surface, there is a lot of underlying tension that every investor needs to understand. The biggest driver behind today's movement is the geopolitical shift in South America. Following the recent events in Venezuela, the U.S. is now taking a more active role in managing oil supplies, which has sent energy stocks like Chevron and Exxon into a massive rally. At the same time, we are seeing the Nasdaq snap a long losing streak, gaining nearly 0.7% as tech investors start to find their footing again. One of the most intense battles in the market right now is happening between Nvidia and Tesla. At CES 2026 in Las Vegas, Nvidia just announced a major expansion of its autonomous driving ecosystem, which is a direct challenge to Tesla's FSD technology. Nvidia shares are showing incredible strength due to the massive demand for their new H200 chips, while Tesla is facing some pressure, dropping nearly 5% as investors worry about its competitive edge. If you are holding either of these stocks, you need to watch the support levels very closely. Interestingly, the biggest winners today aren't just the chipmakers. We are seeing a huge surge in data storage companies. SanDisk jumped nearly 28% today, and Western Digital followed suit. This proves that the AI trade is moving beyond just processors and into the infrastructure that actually stores all that data. Turning to the broader economy, gold is currently flirting with the $4,500 mark as a hedge against global uncertainty. Meanwhile, oil prices are actually slipping toward $57 per barrel because the market expects a more stable supply coming out of Venezuela. All eyes are now on tomorrow's inflation data. The Federal Reserve is watching these numbers closely, and the market is already pricing in potential rate cuts for the rest of 2026. If the data comes in cooler than expected, we could see the S&P 500 clear the 7,000 mark much sooner than anyone anticipated. However, if inflation stays sticky, expect a sharp correction in these record-breaking prices. My advice for today is to stay cautious at these all-time highs and watch the 48,700 level on the Dow as key support. Thanks for tuning into Market Minute USA. Make sure to subscribe for your daily deep dive, and let me know in the comments if you're buying this rally or waiting for a dip. See you tomorrow.